Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to verify your account on Taurex. After registration, click on Upload Documents in this section and enter the verification part, where you click on the Continue option. And you can continue these steps through your mobile phone by clicking on this option, or with your system by clicking on this option. In the next step, you confirm the website's terms by ticking the box and click on Continue. In this section, you select your country of residence and the type of document, and finally click on Continue. In the next step, you need to upload your document. If you wish to change your document, click on this option and select the desired document. In this section, you will see the guide for uploading the appropriate document. And finally, click on Continue. In the next step, you need to upload a photo of yourself using your system's camera. If you wish, you can click on Upload digitally, and in this section, upload a photo of the back of your ID card. After uploading the documents, click on Continue. In the next step, to verify your address, you upload a document such as a bank statement or a bill. In this section, you select the type of document and upload it here. Please note that the document must be no older than 6 months. If you wish to upload an additional document, you can do so in this section. In this section, you will see guidance on uploading the appropriate document. And finally, you click on Continue. Your documents are under review. And once your account is verified, you will see in this section that our status has changed to Approved. Good luck!